Hey, I'm Joel Rush, your spokesperson here with 3D PrintLife. As you can see, we're getting all set up at this year's 2014 CES show, where we'll be displaying two of our manufacturers, both the Affinia printer and the Hi-Rel 3D systems. We have two very special guests coming this week. World-renowned 3D designer Michael Schmidt will be with us on Wednesday, and Project Runway Season 12 finalist Justin Leblanc will also be with us on Friday. We're very, very excited about the week and hope to see you here soon, where we invite you to print things with us.